Alright, so solving linear equations. When we say linear equations, those are equations, algebraic equations that forms line in a graph. So for this case, we are going to deal with straight line graph. So we will do with straight line equations. So linear equations can be rational, radical, quadratic, and so on. Okay, so our task is to solve linear equations. So this means we are going to find the variable in a linear equation. So finding the x, solving for the y, and so on. So let's have example number 1. Alright, so it says solve the linear equation 3 plus 6k equals 24. So again, we will find the value of k. 3 will be transferred to the other side, so that means you will have 6k equals 24 minus 3. So 24 minus 3, that means 21, and you have 6k here divided by 6 divided by 6. How much would that be? So k is equal to 3.5. Okay, to check, we will have 3 plus 6 times 3.5 should be equal to 24. Alright, so 3 plus, so 6 times 3.5, that means equal to 21. And you have equal to 24. So in short, you will have 24 equals 24. This is how you are going to check if you are having doubts with your answer. Okay, let's have example number 2. Okay, example number 2 here, you have y divided by 2 minus 13 equals 5. So we'll start with 13. You go, 13 goes that side of the equation, so that means 5 plus 13. Then you will have y over 2. That means 5 plus 13 is 18. And so you have y over 2. What will happen is, this is division. So if you can remember, we talked about this in the previous video. If you have a division here, that means you are going to multiply both sides. So we'll multiply with 2 both sides times 2. So that means this will be cancelled out. Y is equal to, okay, so 6, 1, 36. Okay, so let's check if our answer is correct. So here, y, 36 divided by 2 minus 13, you will get 5. Okay. 36 divided by 2, okay, so 36 divided by 2, that's 80, minus 13, that is equal to 5. So our answer is safe and correct. Okay, let's have example 3. Okay, so we have here 5y minus 2 divided by 4 equals 3 is dividing by 4, so you will multiply with 4, both sides times 4. Okay, so cancel out, you will have 5y minus 2, this is equal to 12. Okay, then minus 2 goes to that side of the equation, so 12 plus 2, 5y, that means 14, then 5y, this is multiplying 5 and y, so you are going to divide with 5. Divide with 5 to cancel that one out, so you will have 14 divided by 5. So that means you will have y is equal to, okay, so y is equal to 2.8. Box that? Yes. Easy, right? In the fourth example, we have 6 being multiplied to 3k plus 5 equal to 39. So what we're going to do, we will apply the previous knowledge that we have. This is to be distributed that way. So we will simplify and then solve. If there are things to expand, then we'll expand brackets and then simplify and then solve. So this becomes, okay, so 18k then plus 30 equal to 39. So this one goes that way. So you have 39 minus 30 and 18. Why big? So big. So then you will have 9 and then this becomes 18 here divided by 18 divided by 18. So we can reduce this. Okay, so we reduce that, that means 1 and that is becoming 2. So k is equal to 1/2 or 0.5. Okay, so you can also check that if it's really correct. Okay, let's check. So this is times 0.5. So if this is multiplied by 0.5, that is 1.5. And it becomes 6 there, 6.5. 6.5 times 6 is equal to 39. Okay, 8x minus 1 equals 6x minus 5. It's quite complicated. Huh? So what we're going to do here is to combine like terms. We can transfer this x to this side and then this one to the other side. So doing that, this one goes there and this one goes here. So we will combine them. So you will have 8x minus 6x and you will have minus 5 plus 1 minus. So this becomes minus 4. This becomes 2x divided by 2 divided by 2. So x equals to minus 2. Okay, so let's see, minus 2 here, this becomes 16 minus 16, that would be 17, right? So minus 17. Minus 2 here, this becomes 12, minus 12, plus minus, so that means also 17 minus. So our answer is right and correct. So what if you are given 2 times 5c plus 2 minus 2c equals 3 2c plus 3 plus 7. Okay, that's long. So the first thing again is we will simplify. Start with our bit mass, bracket, division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. And then, yes, then we will simplify. Okay? Alright then, we are going to have, we distribute this to that side, this and that. So this one becomes tan C, okay, so tan C plus 4 minus 2C equals 6C plus 9 plus 7. Okay, 9 and 7 there, that means 6C plus 16. Then right here, 2C and 10, that means 8C positive plus 4. There you go. Example number 5 earlier. Okay, so 6C goes here, 4 goes there. Okay, so 16 minus 4, and then you will have 8C minus 6C. Okay, so what is left is 2C and 12. Okay, divided by 2, divided by 2. C is equal to 6. Okay, so this will be our answer now. Okay, so what if you're given like this? So x minus 3, x plus 4, and then you have equals to x minus 4 raised to the power 2. We are going to have x minus 3 times x plus 4 equals x minus 4 times x minus 4. Then we will multiply this using FOIL method, that one. So we will multiply the brackets. So we will have this one right here, x squared, then that would be plus 4x, then minus 3x plus 12, minus 12, minus 12. Okay, so this is x squared plus 1x, okay, or you may not write 1, minus 12 equal to. So right here you have multiply the bracket. So x squared minus 4x, okay, and then you will have another minus 4x, and then you will have 16 plus 16. So x squared minus 8x plus 16. Okay, now see, when you transfer this to the other side, it becomes negative. So negative x squared, we can cancel that one out there. So what you have is 1x here, and you have an 8x here. So when we combine that, so let's say transfer this to the other side, it becomes plus. So you will have now 9x, and then this 12 goes to that side. That means 16 plus 12. Okay, so that becomes 8 and 28. Alright. Okay, so divided by 9 here, small board, our answer would be, so this will be x is equal to 3.11. So our answer would be x is equal to 3.11. Okay. Okay, so what if you have a fraction in solving linear equation? So for this case, we are going to focus on this one first. So, you know the algebraic fractions that we have in the previous videos, we need to make the denominator the same before we can minus or add them. So we will make them the same. So I'm going to multiply this with 2, multiply that with 3. So I'm multiplying this with 3, and we're multiplying this with 2. So that I will have 6 as my common denominator here. So the common multiple of 2 and 3. Alright? Less common multiple, that's the LCM. Okay, so 2 goes with 3, that means 6x, and 2 goes with 2, that means minus 4. Then you have a minus. 3 goes with 3, that means 9. Okay, and then 3 goes with the minus 2x minus 6x over 6 here. And then this is equal to x plus 3 over 4. Okay, so the next step is to combine like terms. So this is this sign here. This becomes plus, this becomes minus, this becomes plus. So what do we have here is this combines with that, that means 12x, and then negative 4 and negative 9. So minus 13 over 6 equal to x plus 3 over 4. So the next step will be cross multiplying. So we will cross that there. So we will have 4 times 12x minus 13 equals to 6 times x plus 3. Alright? So does it fit here? I guess so. Let's see. So what we are going to have is 4 times 12, you have 8, 48 x minus, that is 12, 1, 52 equal to, so this is equal to, you have 6x plus 18. Okay, so 6x plus 18 there. I think you can still see here. So I'm just going to use the blue pen. So we will have 48x minus 6x equals 18 plus 52. Right? So 48, this becomes 42x, okay, 42x, and that becomes, we have 10, 1, so 70, then divided by 42, divided by 42. So our answer for this is x equals 1.67. Can just box this one out. I hope you after this, so here our answer would be x equals 1.67. I hope you're following this. There you go. This is linear equation.